Shopify versus WooCommerce, which is the right e-commerce platform for you? That's the burning question for many entrepreneurs today. You've likely come across both Shopify and WooCommerce as popular options for building an online store, but which one actually gives you the best bang for your buck? Let's dive in and break down the pros and cons of each platform so you can make a decision that'll lead you to the right choice for your business. First up, let's talk about ease of use. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface, which is a huge selling point for beginners. It's a fully hosted platform, meaning you don't need to worry about finding a web host or managing server configurations. Everything's taken care of for you, and with its drag and drop interface, you can get started quickly. But here's the thing, while Shopify might be easy to use, it also comes with its fair share of limitations when it comes to customization. You're often locked into their themes and plugins, which can be restrictive. On the flip side, WooCommerce is an open source plugin for WordPress, giving you a lot more flexibility in terms of customization. You can tweak every little detail to fit your vision and choose from thousands of themes and plugins. But that flexibility comes with a trade-off. WooCommerce isn't as beginner-friendly as Shopify. If you're not familiar with WordPress or web development, you might run into a few obstacles setting things up and maintaining your store. Next thing, let's look at pricing. Shopify starts with a monthly subscription, which includes hosting, support, and all the essential tools you need to run your store. This might sound convenient, but the costs can quickly add up, especially when you start factoring in transaction fees, app subscriptions, and extra themes. For a small store, Shopify can start around $29 per month, but as your business grows, you might find yourself paying much more. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is technically free. It's a plugin for WordPress, so you'll need to pay for hosting, a domain, and potentially a theme or additional features. But the base cost is low, and since it's open source, you're not locked into ongoing subscription fees. However, you'll need to handle your hosting and security updates, which can take more time and effort compared to Shopify's all-in-one solution. The fourth thing to consider is scalability. Shopify's fully hosted nature means it can handle a high volume of traffic with little effort. As your business grows, Shopify automatically takes care of server management and scaling. This can be a huge advantage if you expect rapid growth and don't want to get bogged down by technical issues. WooCommerce can scale as well, but it's more dependent on the hosting environment you choose. If you opt for shared hosting, your site may experience slowdowns during traffic spikes. But if you invest in a high-quality hosting provider, WooCommerce can scale just as effectively as Shopify. Now, let's talk about integrations. Shopify has an extensive app marketplace with tons of plugins that allow you to add new features to your store easily. Whether you need email marketing tools, social media integrations, or advanced analytics, Shopify has it covered. The downside is that many of these apps come with an additional cost, which can quickly add up. WooCommerce also offers a wide range of integrations and plugins, especially since it's built on top of WordPress. If you already use WordPress for content or SEO purposes, this might be an advantage. But finding the right plugins for your WooCommerce store might require more time and research, especially if you want to avoid unnecessary costs. Finally, let's talk about the long-term benefits. Both platforms are solid choices depending on your needs. Shopify is great if you want something straightforward and don't want to worry about hosting, security, or scaling issues. However, its ongoing costs and lack of flexibility in design and functionality might become an issue as your store grows. WooCommerce is ideal for those who need full control over their store and have the technical ability to manage it, but it might be overkill for beginners and could require a more hands-on approach. In conclusion, while Shopify and WooCommerce are both solid e-commerce platforms, they each come with their own set of pros and cons. After trying both myself, I found that there's a better alternative for reaching your goals. If you're looking for a more seamless, customizable, and cost-effective solution, I recommend checking out the free trial through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.